Number of students from cross-cultural background in Australia are increasing, especially from students from subcontinent backgrounds. There is need to identify what kind of challenges they face and how do professional and university staff feel engaged in, equipped in dealing with those cross-cultural challenges that students face.
Unfortunately, the findings of our study weren't very optimistic or encouraging. We found that students lacked interaction with staff. There were often unrealistic expectations from staff. Students often lacked critical thinking and also had poor communication skills.
Also, it's interesting to note that university teaching staff and professional staff, they categorize all international students as one particular cohort. They do not distinguish between international students and students from subcontinent background.
A resulting framework from our research is the EQUIP acronym. E is engaging students in meaningful discussions. Q is questioning their understanding. U is using customized examples in teaching. I is informing students about expectations, requirements, and policies. And finally, P is for practicing what we all preach.